In this video, I'm going to show you how to cook turnip greens in a crock pot. I'm going to start off with 3 bags of triple wash turnip greens. Turn your crock pot on high. We're going to use beef broth instead of water. Pour your 2 containers of beef broth into your crock pot. We're going to use smoked turkey parts to add to the flavor of the greens. Wash off your turkey parts before adding them to the pot. Add them to your chicken broth in your pot. Now I know the bag says triple wash, but I'm going to wash them a couple of times myself. I'll fill the sink up full of water and let it cover the top of the greens and use my hand to agitate the greens so I can break loose all the dirt or debris that's still stuck on the greens. After 10 or 15 minutes of agitation, take the greens and transport them to the other side of the sink. Fill the sink full of water covering the greens and agitate them for another 10 or 15 minutes. This is why I like to rewash the triple wash greens that I get from the store to make sure that all the debris, dirt, and other stuff is going off of them. I know some of that green is chlorophyll that's usually found in any green leafy plant, but now I know that they're clean. Cut up 1 onion. Now add your onions to the pot and all the rest of the spices that you choose to spice your greens with. These are a couple of mine. Of course, I also use a little bit of salt afterwards, but these are my number 1 go-to spices that I use. Now move your greens from the sink to your crock pot. Now they may not seem to fit all in the pot, but it may be a step-by-step process. Allow them to cook for 15 or 20 minutes and then add more as you go along, but they will shrink when they cook. All 3 bags fit now after cooking for a little bit. Now when they're wilted and tender looking, make sure that you get a sample and salt to taste. This is what it should look like after they're done. Now enjoy them. I know I did. Like, share, subscribe. And don't forget to leave a comment. God bless you.